Hello and welcome to part 3 of AVR tutorial. In this lecture, we learn how we can use the key to control something such as the motors and LEDs and other things. And the purpose of this lecture is working with the pin of AVR 16 as an input. I prefer to begin my teaching with an example. In this example, we have a 80 mega 16 and a key which is connected to, for example, pin B dot 0 and LED is connected to C dot 0. Okay, we need a pull-up resistor to reduce the noise of system when the key is open, and because the key is connected to ground, the pull-up should be connected to VCC, and the amount of the resistor of pull-up is between 2.2 to 4.7 kilo. For example, I consider 2.2 kilo. Okay, when key is on, okay, key is open, and when key is closed. We have two states, open and closed. In fact, we want to control the turning on and turning off the LED. When the key is open, the LED is off, and when the key is closed, the LED is on. So when the key is open, the LED is off, and then when the key is closed, the LED is on. Okay, the cathode of LED is connected to ground, so the anode need to have 5 volt to be on. Okay, so when the LED is off, we write in port C dot 0 0. Okay, and when the LED is on, we write on port C dot 0 a 1. Wanna say 2. And for checking the key, we use the if, and we need to read the pin, and the command for read is pin B dot B dot 0. When pin B dot 0 is 0, okay, the key is close. 2 and if the pin B dot 0 is 1, okay, the key is open and the LED is off. In this example, B dot 0 is input, okay, because the information is coming to system, and C dot 0 is output, because we send some information to out of system. Now we write this code in the code vision and then simulating portals. Define new project with code wizard. Set ports. Ports B dot 0 is input, and port C is output. We have internal pull-up. You can use this. In this we have tri-state pull-up and nothing, pull-up. But I prefer to use the external pull-up to explain some things to you. Okay, now I save and generate. Switch. We write our code in this space. If pin B dot 0 is 0, port C dot 0 is 1, and else we can write with 2 ifs. Okay, when the key is pressing, the LED is on, and else it's off. I compile. Open the process. Switch. we need switch, mega 16, and LED. LED, for example, blue LED. Okay. Switch is connected to this, and LED is connected to pin B.0, C.0 side. When the key is open, the LED is off. When the key is closed, the LED is on and off. This can be controlled with key. Okay, I hope to enjoy this video and have a nice time.